Hello. So here's what we've been talking about and learning about for the last week or two. So there's 5 kingdoms, right? 5 kingdoms. There is the animal, 5 kingdoms. The way things are classified on Earth, we have animal, protist, fungi, plants, and Monera, which is the bacteria. Okay? So all of these work together. All of these work together in the ecosystems in order for everything to continue on over and over and over like it's been for thousands of years. Okay? There is one more classification, which is eukaryotic. The word eukaryotic. It means these creatures have a membrane around the nucleus of their cells. The membrane is something that holds that nucleus together, and it contains, and the cell contains all of these organelles, parts that work together to make another cell. That's what eukaryotic means. Now we are animals, so we are eukaryotic. Protists are fungi, plants. They all are eukaryotic. Monera, bacteria, they are prokaryotic. They don't have a membrane around the nucleus and they don't have any organelles. Okay? So it makes a difference. These guys here, there's advantages to be prokaryotic and there's advantages to be eukaryotic. We're going to be learning about those now after we have learned about the 5 kingdoms. You've done a good job, and our standards are part of this, and I want to show you that right now, the standards, how that works. Okay, so if we go to Empower, hang on one second, thought I had it right here. If we go to Empower and we look, we see this one right here. I can explain the disadvantages and advantages of a cell being prokaryotic or eukaryotic. That's one that we're going to work on now. Then we go down here, and we've been doing these. I can use data to show limiting factors that influence population size, examples of living things interacting with each other, describe biotic and abiotic factors. I'm just going through these fast. I can give examples and evidence of living things interacting with the ecosystem. I can construct a food web to show the flow of energy in an ecosystem. I can create a model structure of DNA. We haven't done that yet. That's coming up. But we've been working on all of these standards. That's why we're doing what we're doing. You should know why we're doing what we're doing. It just makes sense for you to have knowledge of that too. Okay, so this is what we're talking about, the 5 kingdoms, okay, of living things. And then we're going into the eukaryotic, membrane around the nucleus of cells. Prokaryotic, no membrane around the nucleus of cells. We're going to be looking at the advantages and disadvantages of these coming next. Okay, so that's going to be the next standard. So there's always a reason for what we're doing. Okay, all right. That's it for today on this one.